So welcome back to my channel, you guys. Today we're going into full detail for the self-motivation happy notes, and I'm going to give you the setup on how I do this and how I made these really cute die cuts. So I always add die cuts.
Oh yeah, I'll grab the book.
I always add checklists, and I always add pocket pages in my happy planners. So I feel like why not continue that into my happy notes. So I'm going to show you guys how I set it up. The first thing I do is put together my pocket pages, and so the first pocket page that I want to put in is this one, and then the second one is this multi one, because I just like how this one looks in this one. So I put my pocket pages in, and I'm probably going to add more in the future, but to start me off, I start with the paper pad stuff, and then the Honeybee has great digitals. MJ and Hope has great digitals. This is Little Magic Prints, great digitals. Cut those out and make a nice little pocket page. Yep, this is Honeybee Shop, paper pad, Honeybee Shop, MJ and Hope, MJ and Hope. I use sticker pack. Usually when I use these, I use sticker packs because it just makes the backgrounds look a little prettier, and they are definitely cohesive when I do it that way. So it works for me. So the first section in this planner, I say planner, I always call this thing a planner. The first section is thoughts. Not thoughts, but thoughts. Thoughts. So I'm gonna be writing, wow, that's not the thoughts, and it's thunderstorming outside. So this is where I'm gonna write my thoughts, and this is so cute. So this is my self-daily checklist that I grabbed as a printable off of the Honeybee Shop. Really cute, really cute. This is from the Happy Planner sticker books, I'm gonna be doing this daily, so now I think about it, I'm definitely gonna be doing this daily because it's like a self-care checklist, and everything that's on here is something I need to do every single day. So kudos, Honeybee Shop. So the next one is gratitude, stay colorful, babe. And this one is going to go here. So right here is these little boxes. I got this idea from AJ McGarvey. I hope I'm saying that right, where you cut out the stickers. So say in this book there's boxes, so when I take this out, I can use the border of this and make boxes. So you don't even have, if you don't have the color box, use what you have to make what you can. So that is this page, and I'm gonna write something I'm thankful for, some gratitude in each box. And then on this side is MJ, I said MJ, Little Magic Prints, digital yoga girls. And then my last section is treat yourself, treat yourself. I wanna add in this insert, and this is how I'm gonna improve myself. So it can be some health things, it could be my attitude to that day or that week. Whatever I'm feeling at that time that I need to improve is gonna be in the back of this book. And majority of the time, I'm gonna have a habit tracker for sure, and it's gonna have something to do with getting fit because I wanna improve my muscle mass, and I also wanna improve my endurance. So with that being said, this is a must, and it has to be in here. So then I wanna add, I totally forgot, I wanna add in my die cuts. So I made these literally out of some transparent tape and some nicks. And what I did was, if I was to take this die cut, I would get a piece of paper. I would get a piece of paper, go like this. I'm actually gonna show you guys right now because it's cute. And so I would go like this and add. It's probably a lot to do it this way, but if you want some glitter stuff and you don't have the cash for it right now, there is a way that you can definitely improvise. So I want to add some pink. Really cute when I'm done. So I think that's enough glitter. So then I'm gonna move it over just a little bit because I'm doing it on my planner. And I actually don't mind glitter on my planner, so it's okay. So what I would do is, okay, that tape is a little short. So what I'm gonna do is just put that on top very slowly. And that's really just gonna be my barrier and what can help me hold it down so it doesn't go anywhere as I'm taping the rest. So next piece of tape, you're gonna put it right underneath. You're not even gonna press. What I realized is don't press on it as you're doing it, just on the sides, because it's gonna mess up. You understand what I mean if you end up pressing it anyway. Ooh. So just the side. Oh. Just like that. GG. Another one.
I got no kills. You got 15 kills.
And so whatever you've already cut out, if it's something that's like has a million different like layers and spots, it's probably gonna be a lot harder to do. Like this was hard to do because of the rough edges, and I had to like go over it a few times and cut pieces a little bit more intricate. So then boom. So I haven't put it down yet. It is raining like crazy outside. You silly. And then you want to put it like that. Then you want to find any card or something like that and just boom. Just like that. Just like that. And it's going to spread out underneath, and that's okay because it's going to look really good. I'm done. And I'll just go around the side and just where the edge is, I go like that. So, yeah. Go like that, go like that, go like that. Then I want to, oh God, I forgot one little key point. I forgot to leave that one little edge up so it was easier for me to pick it up. So you want to go really slow and stick your finger underneath and lift up like that, grabbing a piece of tape as you go. And just go like that, and it just comes off. Boom. It's not the prettiest on the other side, which is why I added the paper. That pretty paper on the other side. So, if there's some weird, okay, he has my scissors, and I'm gonna need him to stop stealing my scissors. So then, you go like that. And then, boom. Literally. It's flat, and there's some glitter, and it's really cute. Really, really cute. Look at all that glitter. That is so cute. I love it. And so now you have your own little DIY, and then all I have to do is, is cut this side. I don't ever use this thing right. And you go like that. Boom. Okay, I kind of cut a little too much, but you get. So I'm gonna take that piece off. Boom. Okay, so I clearly am cutting. I don't know how to use this tool that good, y'all. Pay me no mind. So technically you wouldn't do all that. So I'm gonna have to go back and fix this with my scissors. This is gonna annoy me. So, wow, it is storming. I'm gonna have to do a voiceover. So I would just cut it. Now I have to cut it more than what I originally wanted, but it's okay. It's already taped down. It's okay. So I can just trim it down so it's even since I messed it up. And so boom. And then what I would do is get my hole punch. I think I'm gonna do 4 holes. Go like that. Once I've done that, I'm gonna move this stuff out of the way. I can now put it in my blender. Super cute glitter stuff. And that is how I made this girl some karma for that butt. and how I feel about others. Really cute. And boom. So that is how I made that. And then on the back, I would put some prettiness and find some paper or something to put there. And so that is the self-motivation happy notes. Thanks for watching.